Hey everyone, so we're going to talk about our family again. So we've been talking about it all week about how they're special and things you can do with your family. So today we're going to talk about places we can go. So I want you to take a minute and think about where are some places you go with your family. So I wrote some. So in the middle of this right here, it says places we can go. We can go to the beach. We can go eat. We can go to the park. We can visit grandma, and we can go to the zoo. You could come up with lots of other things you could do with your family. So I want you to take a minute and think about things you could do with your family. All right, so we also have been talking about number words, that numbers can be represented as a number or as a word. So we're going to read a little book called Five Silly Monkeys. And I want you to listen for numbers that you hear in this book, and then we're going to count and see if we can look at count and write down some of these number words that we hear. Right. Five silly monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Four silly monkeys eating on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys eating on the bed." Three silly monkeys swinging on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys swinging on the bed." Two silly monkeys sliding on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys sliding on the bed." So did you hear any number words so far? I heard quite a few. I hear number 2 on this one. Let's see what the next one is. One silly monkey spinning on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys spinning on the bed." But what happens? Nobody mentioned anything about jumping on the couch. Silly monkeys. All right, so let's look at some of these, see if we can count some of our numbers. Okay, so I drew some circles up here, and I want us to count them together, and then we're going to look at the words. All right, so let's count them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have the 5 numbers. There's 1, and then there's the word 1, 2, the word 2, 3, the word 3, 4, the word 4, and 5, and then there's the word 5. So each one of these numbers can be shown as the number or as the word. All right, let me show you the next thing we're going to do. All right, so we're going to read a little story, and it's called Teddy's Week. And in this one, this is a fiction. And remember, a fiction story is a made-up story. It's not a real story. So it's a story that you can make up. So if you want to just make up a pretend story. So fiction is just a pretend story. Teddy's mama says Monday is washing day. Teddy helps mama sort socks. Sometimes Teddy is buried in socks. Teddy likes Mondays. On Tuesday, Teddy's dad comes home early. He says Tuesday is his work at home day. Teddy helps Daddy clean up the yard. Sometimes Teddy is buried in leaves. Teddy likes Tuesdays. Teddy's brother and sister say that Wednesday is family game night. Teddy helps pick out the game. Teddy helps them count. When they move their markers, Teddy likes Wednesdays. Thursdays is shopping day. Sometimes Mama does the shopping, sometimes Daddy does it, but Teddy always goes along to help. He picks out cereal and his favorite cheese. Teddy likes Thursday. Friday night is family movie night. Teddy helps Mama choose a movie at the library. Daddy fixes supper. When everyone gets home, it's time for dinner and a movie. Teddy likes Friday. Actually, Teddy likes the whole week. So in this one, they're talking about things that Teddy does with his family. Do you remember anything that Teddy did with his family? It says here, Teddy helps Mama sort socks on Monday. And then on Tuesday, his dad comes home early and they help clean up the yard together. I remember hearing something about playing some games. They do a lot of things with their family. All right, the next thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at our rhyming book or our nursery rhyme. Get to the right page. Here we go. So on this one, we're going to read this poem together, and then we're going to try to find some of the rhyming words, okay? So the name of the poem is Chook, Chook, Chook. Chook, 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 chook. Good morning, Miss Hen. How many chickens have you got? Madam, I've got 10. 4 of them are yellow, and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled red, the nicest in town. So let's read it one more time. Chook, 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 chook. Good morning, Miss Hen. How many chickens have you got? Madam, I've got 10. 4 of them are yellow, and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled red, the nicest in the town. So let's see if we can find some rhyming words. So let's look at the word hen and tin. Do you think those rhyme? If you think they rhyme, touch your nose. Let's listen to it. So hen, 10. So if you listen to that ending sound, which is in, they have the same ending sound, so they rhyme. Let's listen to them a little bit more closely. So in, in, they definitely rhyme. So let's see if we can find anything else that rhyme. Let's see. Tell me which 2 words rhyme. For, brown, town. So for, brown, town. Let's just see if we can figure it out. For and brown, do they have the same ending sound? No, they sound different. Let's try another one. What about brown and town? Yeah, they rhyme because they have that same ending sound.